The box is actually not as big. It's 16-inch bike. Let's see the seat first. Okay, so the seat looks like more sporty. Actually, it's very soft. I think it's wow. It looks really good. The seat looks good so far. Okay, it's actually pretty light. I'm just gonna pull out. Actually, the bike came pretty nice parts, and it has a fender I need to attach, but it does have pedals already attached, which is foldable. Very easy to put the bike together, I guess, because it's already fully assembled. So you just bring this handlebar up and it's already assembled. I think it's one of the quickest assembly video maybe. And over here, this latch actually kind of really looking cool. You just close this and the bike is assembled. So I would just need to insert this seat and that's it. And look how tall the seat can go up. I think this bike actually looks very familiar to Jupiter, I think. Oh my god, it's already assembled. Already ready to ride.